Welcome back. We're continuing the news. With the spike in COVID-19 cases island-wide, the question many have been asking, will the government implement a complete lockdown of the country to control the spread of the virus? Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton responded in an interview with Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines this evening. In 1 week, February 9 to February 15, the country recorded 2,472 new coronavirus cases. The confirmed cases on February 15 being the highest at 468. The Ministry of Health says this is from a sample of 1,503 people who were tested. 293 females tested positive and 170 males. The age range is 3 months to 89 years. The new positive cases were recorded in all parishes. Kingston and St. Andrew had the highest, 172. St. Catherine with 75 and Manchester with 59 cases rounded off the top three. St. James, Trelawney, St. Mary, St. Elizabeth followed with 29, 25, 22 and 20 cases respectively. No deaths were recorded Monday, but the number of hospitalizations is climbing, as at Monday it stood at 251. This is up from Sunday, which according to the data from the Ministry of Health, there were 245 people in hospital with the virus. So has the country reached the crisis point? This was the health minister's response as he addressed the issue on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines with Dion Jackson Miller earlier.
Well, it's clearly concerning that the cases continue to rise. We did expect the possibility of that further increase. We took action, as you know, a week ago to reduce the numbers, and we're hoping that that will lead to a sort of cauterization of the numbers. But we're in full-blown community spread, and that's what it is. It means that the virus is everywhere. Positivity rates are up, and one just has to be very careful.
On the issue of a nationwide lockdown, the minister was cautious in his response.
That is always an option on the table. The question is it the time to implement or introduce that option? From the cabinet's perspective, we don't think so. We think that we are still managing, though under very difficult circumstances. The consequences of a total lockdown are wide and impactful. And so the balancing act still is being played out, and it may mean more stricter restrictions, but as it relates to an extreme lockdown, I would be hesitant to suggest that at this point in time.
Another sore point, face-to-face classes. School is on midterm break, giving administrators some time to decide the way forward when the term resumes in the coming days. Here's what the president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, JASFORD, GABRIEL, told our news center on Monday.
Doesn't matter how much protocol you may have at school, each day students come in new, transportation, gatherings, asymptomatic, and to me, it's clear that they must be adding to the case counts across the country.
The issue was put to the Education Minister, Favour Williams.
We do work hand in hand with the Ministry of Health and Wellness. We take directives from them because we recognize that this is a health crisis that we're all living through. That the ministry indicates to us that we should pull back on the face-to-face, of course. We are going to do that.
This was the health minister's take.
I think we have to review on a week-by-week basis. I think schools are going to be out for the next few days, and I'm sure during this period, the Minister of Education and the Cabinet and team will review where we are, and an appropriate decision will be communicated to the populace.